Richard, what for you works and what doesn't work?
Yeah, thank you. I think it's a really tough question. I think everybody on the panel has already said it before. I've noted a few comments down. I'd like to, on Sam's point about being agile in the development world, absolutely. There's no one single design that you can just roll out and plonk out in the same way over and over again. We've talked about like market segmentation, geographical segmentation, height segmentation, density segmentation, all these kind of things, and I think it provides a challenge to everybody, because actually you do need to take an agile approach, and there isn't a one solution that fits every type of application that's out there. I think so. What doesn't work is one solution. There isn't one. What does work is taking every project as it comes and looking at the individual requirements of it. I think there is some to talk further about what James said. There is some confusion, and there's lots of challenges, and there are some conflicts in what we're doing in the buildings today. Ventilation rates have increased in the last round of the building regulations in Part F, but not to any extent that's going to impact overheating in the summer. And what we're seeing is the provision of ventilation equipment that's in there, even centralized systems, is not large enough to deal with the overheating that's in some of these properties, particularly when you start looking at restrictions in window openings, and replacement air then becomes a problem, and you have to add additional equipment into those environments. It soon becomes quite a burden. People are asking questions about putting bathroom fans into bedrooms, for example, to get that kind of level of flow rates that's required. And it's odd seeing a bathroom fan being fitted into a habitable room, as particularly with noise issues that are going on there as well. So I think that everyone's struggling to find the solution without moving to dare I say, aggressive active systems that are using energy to Sam, to your point, which is we're supposed to be delivering net zero carbon buildings, not producing buildings that ultimately need more equipment, more electrically driven plant that goes into it to provide a habitable environment in the summer. So